Hey everybody, I got something new. Thought I'd share it with you. Lizards are doing good. She's getting ready to shed again, which she seems to do once a week. Cactus is growing really good in there. We got this automatic cat feeder because our cats are getting fat and I was overfeeding them by letting them eat whenever they want. So it's pretty cool. It's AC/DC, not a rock band, but you can put batteries in it or you can plug it in. I have it plugged in. You can record your voice, and when it feeds them, you can, say whatever you want, here, kitty, kitty, or whatever. But they already know. Right before, and I've only had this 3 days, right before it's about to drop food, they're up here staring at it. This is what they get. It looks like a lot, but it's really not. They get this little bit once at 9 in the morning and once at 5. And you hold the stuff up here. I got it from Amazon. That's the name. Molypet automatic pet feeder. It's not terribly complicated to figure out. But it took me a minute. But the controls are simple. I don't know if you can see. I don't think you can see. Dang it. Anyway, there's buttons on there. And you just program it. I'd say you can program it up to like 6 times. And if you just want to do one cat, this thing comes out and you just use the one bowl. These bowls are attached and you can take them out so you can clean them. The metal part comes out. Yeah, I like it. Makes it simple. Like I said, we're not going to let our cats go outside. So they're getting kind of chunky. I want to get one of those giant cat wheels, but Sarah won't let me. It's like a hamster wheel, but for cats. You would like that, wouldn't you? Wouldn't you like that, Danny? Yep. So they sit up here, look out the window during the day. It's kind of a lame video, but anyway, I just wanted to show this. There's a cat face on here also you can't see because it's kind of dark in here. Does that help? Oh, look, and then there was light. There, now you can see it better. Get out of here, Danny. Those are the buttons. We made them kind of a large cardboard fort, which is in the middle of laundry right now, so you can't really see it, but you just ran inside it. Goes inside there, and then into a bigger box. They got some holes they can look out. They're small, so they can only get their head out. They can't get their whole body out of them. And then here's the exit right here. They're pretty fun. They get bored extremely easy. So we're constantly trying to find things for them to do. Right? Right, Maisie? Maisie, wake up, lazy dog. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do? Say hi, Alice. People seen you since you were a baby. All right, sorry for taking up 5 minutes of your life. I hope you have a good week. God bless. And if you feel like it, throw us a thumbs up or a subscribe. That'd be cool. We're up to about 300 and something subscribers. So we're building a nice little family here. I mean, you know, we're never going to be professional editors, obviously. We can barely work this tablet. But we try to share what we learn here. And we don't mind sharing our family with you guys. All right, have a good week.